Thanks for Basie for pointing that out. I don't think anyone has tried to use it today. Try it again. Try it now. Yeah, that's what you said, Vix. Yeah, absolutely. And you were right to say it. There we go. The last Pokemon you played was Yellow. Well, if you got a Switch, you'd be able to play one of the new ones. All good. All good. It's the same set we were building last time we did this for Basie. Still going on with the bookshop. Again, Barnstar, thank you for sending me this on my birthday. I don't think I've thanked you yet, so I want to make sure that I'm putting that out there. Hawkpunk, do you have Twitter? Because you should follow Vivank Art, I think his name is. But if you Google Pokemon Yeah Nah, you'll find an amazing fan artist who is making a he's conceptualizing. It's all just fan art, but he's conceptualizing the Straya region. That's Straya, Straya region for Pokemon Yeah and Nah. And the stuff that he's coming up with is absolutely brilliant. You would love it.
You're very welcome, that square guy.
Thank you, Barnstar. Thank you. Yeah, Straya region. It looks amazing. It seriously looks like so much fun. Of course, it's not real. It's never actually getting made, but you know, it's just fun to look at. Yeah, I can hear something too for Basie. Do you guys hear that? I can hear something approaching. You guys hear that? I can hear something. Yep. I can definitely hear something. It's winter. Winter approaching. What you might not be expecting is that winter sometimes doesn't arrive in the change of seasons. It arrives on a train. It's the winter train coming in with the rain. Hello, welcome. Well then, I'm honestly a little speechless. I thought surely this train would actually stop at the first station tonight. Oh my god. Well, if I still had the hiccups, that would have scared it away. Goodness me, thank you for raiding. Thank you for actually arriving after I fast traveled to the second station. I suppose that's okay. Natalie's Winter, thank you so much for the raid. Hello, welcome. My goodness, new friend with a follow as well. Thank you so much for following too, Natalie. Welcome. Sorry, Nathalie. Sorry, I misread that. Is it Nathalie or is it pronounced Natalie? In any case, thank you so much for following. Welcome to the Square Gang. Squagoon, rise up and warn your brothers. Winter is coming. Raiden and Running, you just streamed for 24 hours. Good. My dear friend, go sleep. Please go sleep right now. Do not stay. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Go sleep. That is a very long stream. Please take care of yourself. Thank you so much for raiding in. It's lovely to meet you, and I hope that we can hang out another time in the future. Thank you for stopping by.
Thanks for dropping by.
And I'll see you next time. Take care of yourself. And for those of you, Natalie's friends who are sticking around, hopefully stick around. My name is That Square Guy, TSG, Square, Squigglebutt, Mr. S. I've got many names. You can call me any of those ones. I'm not very good at introducing myself, but hi, yes, thank you so much for dropping in. I'm TSG, that Square Guy. I do Lego streams most of the time, game streams some of the time, usually Nintendo stuff if I do a game stream. And right now, if someone could hit the set command for me, we are building the bookshop. We are finishing off the bookshop. Well, probably not finishing it today, actually, to be frank. This is the first floor of the townhouse next to the bookshop, and probably tomorrow we're going to finish off the rest of this thing. We've only got a few pieces left here before we finish up, but thank you so much for the raid and for coming on in. I really appreciate it. Exodus Judge is crashing too. Been running with her since the beginning of her stream pretty much. Goodness me. Okay, well, you can crash as well. Exodus Judge, it is great to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for possibly suggesting that stream, I guess. Men make Lego. Men also have good hair. Men sometimes funny. Men also kind of smart. Yeah, I'll allow that. That's fair. You said He-Man, and I thought you were referring to something else, Bonzo, and I was like, I don't know. Do we have time? I don't know. She had no one on her list live streaming. Well, I appreciate you suggesting me and bringing these lovely people over here. I appreciate it a lot. And guys, go give Natalie's Winter some love as well. Darcy shouted her out before. Maybe Darcy will do it again. I don't know. She's unpredictable, but she shouted her out, and you can go give her that follow. Thank you, and spread some love back her way for being so kind to raid us tonight. So. Amazing stuff. I'm gonna keep building. My iPad has gone to sleep. We opened this iPad at the start of the stream. This is my brand new iPad, and just for today, we've been using it to get our instructions that we need for this set. I mean, who doesn't love that guy is a square? Exactly. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm trying to say. There's the shout out. Everybody go give Natalie some love. I really appreciate that raid. I know I'm not keeping it now, but Square doesn't want to let me know when it's happening. Oh yeah, no, I'm not letting you know nothing. Should I start making Lego Harry and Hermione? That depends. Are you ready? It's 10 past 9. Are you going to be able to do much before you inevitably start falling asleep, Adrian? Must appreciate it while it's there. You got to appreciate it while it's there, Corn. You got to make the most of it. What if it's all a gag and I'm actually going to let you have it for like another 6 months? What if it's like 3 years and then suddenly one day just boom, your sword's gone, and you'll always be guessing all that time, keeping you in suspense all that time? You know what? That actually sounds kind of appealing. I'm thinking that might be the road we go down, folks.
Last few bricks before you finish the stream. In which case, doing okay TSG? Look, after yesterday I have to, alright.
I'm probably not going to do another bag tonight because it took us hours to get through this bag. We've got another stream to go. Thank you for another 100 bits, Vix. We've got another stream to go tomorrow, so I might call it at this bag and then we'll pick up where we left off tomorrow. That gives us plenty to do, and if we manage to get through it fast enough tomorrow, we might be able to build a couple of the... I think I've got the Thanos set left still, the Thanos mech set left, so we could potentially like do that as well. lulled into a false sense of security. Exactly, that's what I'm talking about. What's Tiki? Oh, the Thanos
Yikes.
set.
Fasq1T.
Yikes is right, Goldfire. 21 months. My man. Simping hard. Goldfire, 21 months. How insane is that? That is... Thank you very much, Goldfire, for continuing your sub. You'll love to see it. I appreciate you, buddy. You know I do. Ugh. I hope you're doing well, Goldfire. I haven't really been talking to you much lately. It's been too long. It's too long of this stuff. Hey, Goldfire, look at what I bought. Not the like annual, but this. Look what I did. We opened it on stream at the start of the stream today. What do you reckon? I did a dumb. Oh my god, Darcy, you're playing with a level 77 prestige. Good luck with that. Hawkpunk, you're out. Going to head off. Still not in a great mood. I understand, dude. You take care of yourself, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Yeah, very nice. Thank you. I'm pretty happy with it. I don't know. I haven't really had much chance to play with it. I'm going to end stream relatively soon so that I can use it some more tonight before I go to bed. Yeah. So I'll be honest, that's why I'm not gonna do more bags tonight. I hope that's okay. Barnes